when you're on your personal Facebook page, click on your profile icon and then select the Facebook page that you want to change its name. Then select your Facebook page name again from the left side to go to the home page and then select the settings. Scroll down until you see page setup. Select it. Here you could see your page name. Click on it. Every page has a name and username. To change the name, click on edit. Enter the new name. Note, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. Click on review change. Make sure you haven't made any spelling mistakes. And once you're happy with the change, enter your Facebook password and then click on request change. You might get a code to your email ID to verify it. This is for the extra security. After entering the code, click on continue and then refresh the page to make sure the name is changed. But for some reason, in my case, it was not changed. So I had to repeat the same process again and it was still not changed. But the second time when I clicked on edit, then it started to show the new name. Next is to change the username. So click on the edit for the username. You could enter your name to use it as your username and hopefully it is available. And once you're happy, click on save changes. Then it goes back to the main setting page. Click on page setup, click on page name, and here you could see both the name and the username are changed. And now when you go to your page, you could see the new name.